Apollo.io and ZoomInfo are two B2B sales software tools used to find contacts and run outreach. This video compares both to find the best option for teams at any budget. While both apps offer large contact databases, they take a very different approach to data quality and pricing. We analyzed database size, pricing, setup time and integrations, plus two other key areas to see which one wins for your team. Who these tools are actually built for. Before anything else, let's establish who each of these tools is actually built for, because that context makes every other comparison in this video much clearer. And here's the reality. Most sales reps spend far more time searching for contacts than actually talking to them. Both Apollo.io and ZoomInfo are built to solve that problem, but they do it in very different ways and for very different teams. Apollo.io is built for solo sales reps, lean teams, and startups that need to find contacts, launch outreach, and track results without juggling multiple tools. It's designed for speed, with prospecting and email sequencing inside one platform, so you're not constantly switching tabs just to get one campaign out the door. ZoomInfo, on the other hand, is built for scale and precision. It works best for larger sales organizations that need more reliable data, deeper company insights, and advanced targeting filters to support a structured sales process. If Apollo is built for moving fast, ZoomInfo is built for teams that need more accuracy, more context, and more enterprise-level depth. So right away, the size of your team and the complexity of your workflow will usually tell you which one makes more sense even before you compare features. Database size and data quality. Now that we know who each tool is built for, let's talk about the data behind them. Apollo gives you access to more than 275 million contacts and includes real-time email verification, which makes it a strong option for fast-moving outreach. That said, some users report higher bounce rates compared to ZoomInfo, especially when it comes to phone numbers. Its US mobile coverage can also be more limited, which is something to keep in mind if cold calling is a major part of your sales process. ZoomInfo takes a different approach. It covers over 321 million contacts and combines automated systems with human research teams to keep its records updated. In practice, users generally report stronger overall data accuracy, and its US mobile and direct dial coverage is noticeably better. For teams that rely heavily on reaching prospects by phone, that difference can quickly translate into better connection rates. At this point, the choice really comes down to how your team sells. If most of your outreach is built around high-volume email campaigns, and you don't mind doing some list cleanup, Apollo can absolutely get the job done. But if your team depends on calling decision makers directly and needs numbers that are more likely to connect, ZoomInfo clearly has the advantage in this category. Now let's compare the pricing and contract terms for Apollo.io and ZoomInfo. Pricing, contracts, and what you actually pay. Apollo lists all its plans openly on its website. Paid plans start at $49 per user per month on annual billing, going up to $119 at the top tier. There is also a free plan with limited monthly credits, and Apollo allows month-to-month billing, giving smaller teams some flexibility. However, the listed price is rarely the final price. Credits are used up every time you look up a phone number, export a contact, or enrich data. Once they run out, you pay for more. That's why keeping track of your credit usage matters. It's the easiest way to avoid a surprise bill at the end of the month. ZoomInfo takes a very different approach. Prices aren't listed on the website. You need to contact their sales team directly, but based on reported contracts and independent breakdowns, pricing usually starts around $15,000 per year for a small team. For a team of roughly 20 people, you should budget $50,000 to $100,000 annually, especially if you add extra modules like intent data or call recording, which are sold separately. So if budget flexibility matters to you, Apollo has the more accessible entry point. ZoomInfo requires a bigger financial commitment, but the scope of what you get at that level is also much broader. That covers the pricing for both platforms. If you've already decided which one you want, you can find the affiliate links for Apollo.io and ZoomInfo in the description. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Both platforms also let you try before you commit. Apollo offers a 14-day free trial for its paid plans, and ZoomInfo offers a 7-day free trial with no credit card required. Pricing aside, the next thing worth looking at is how long each platform actually takes to set up and what the day-to-day experience looks like. Setup time and daily usability. Apollo is the faster option when it comes to setup. Most teams can start finding leads and running outreach within 2 to 4 weeks. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, so building targeted lead lists does not feel overwhelming. Its Chrome extension also works directly inside LinkedIn, allowing you to pull contact details and add prospects to a sequence without switching tabs. For teams without a technical background, that simplicity makes it much easier to get up and running without outside support. ZoomInfo, by comparison, takes more time to implement, and that is intentional. The platform follows a structured 90-day onboarding process that covers technical setup, CRM integration, and team training. The first 30 days are usually focused on getting the system properly connected, which often means involving IT support or a dedicated technical resource. For larger teams with more complex workflows, that level of structure is actually a major advantage. But for smaller teams that need to move quickly, it can feel like a much longer runway than expected. So if your priority is speed and minimal setup, Apollo clearly has the edge in this category. If your team has the time, resources, and infrastructure for a more structured rollout, ZoomInfo's onboarding is built to support long-term use at scale. With setup and usability covered, let's look at how Apollo.io and ZoomInfo fit into the rest of your workflow. Integrations and what connects to what. Apollo offers integrations with most of the major tools sales teams already use. It connects natively with CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive, and also supports marketing platforms like Adobe Marketo. Beyond CRM integrations, Apollo also works across email platforms, dialers, video conferencing tools, data enrichment services, and even AI tools. For teams with more specialized workflows, higher tier plans also include API access for custom integrations and automations. When it comes to ZoomInfo, the approach is more enterprise-focused, especially at the CRM level. Its Salesforce integration supports custom objects, real-time data sync, and advanced field mapping, which becomes especially valuable for larger teams managing more complex account structures. It also integrates with platforms like HubSpot and Marketo at a deeper data enrichment level than Apollo. The trade-off, however, is that the more advanced the integration, the more technical setup is usually required. Overall, if your current stack is simple and you just need things to connect without a lot of hassle, Apollo is the easier choice. But if your workflow is more complex and you need integrations that can keep up at an enterprise level, ZoomInfo is built exactly for that. Who should pick which tool? So after looking at all of that, who should actually go with each platform? If you're a solo rep, a startup, or a small team watching your budget, Apollo.io is the more practical choice. You get a large contact database, built-in email sequencing, a clean interface, and a free plan to start with today. The all-in-one setup means you're not paying for multiple tools just to get one campaign out of the door. If you run a mid-sized or enterprise sales team and your biggest concern is reaching the right person with a number that actually works, ZoomInfo is built for that. The data is more accurate, the phone coverage is stronger, and the integrations run deeper for large CRM deployments. The cost is significantly higher, and the contracts require real commitment. But for teams where even one closed deal can cover the annual subscription, the investment can easily make sense. If you're still undecided, take advantage of the free trials both platforms do offer. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description. Thank you for watching.